They were meant to ensure that our graduates at whatever level are recognized and respected across the world. Back in 2016, and following the serious concerns about the management of national exams, the government of Kenya identified a secure printing firm in the UK, that is Stephen Austin Printing Limited. This is a security printing firm that deals with several exams and other high-stakes documents in different parts of the world. Kenyans will agree that in that period, sanity returned in the management of exams with grades that reflected reality. We have established that early this year, the Kenya Kwanza administration suddenly and abruptly stopped this contract just because the UK company refused to give kickbacks. Without following any legal procurement processes, due diligence procedures, and attention to examination timelines, the Kenya Kwanza administration awarded the Kcpe and KSE exam printing contract to a politically correct local company based on Mombasa Road in Nairobi. The government was advised that the Mombasa Road-based company did not have the capacity to print the exams and also ensure its security and integrity, especially on such a short notice. Nobody would budge because there were kickbacks involved. We are aware that the Mombasa Road company then had to outsource the exam printing services from a company based in India, where the exams were printed in a hurry. You are also aware that the UK firm, whose contract was cancelled, declined to provide codes to the many layers of security that had been encrypted to safeguard the integrity of both Kcpe and KCSE. We believe this process of sudden change of printer, hacking the exam system, and having them printed on a short notice are responsible for the disaster you have witnessed with respect to Kcpe. The situation was worsened by the fact that in return for kickbacks, the procurement for relaying the results to the public using the short code 40054 was also taken away from the regional provider and awarded on short notice and corruptly to a company that does not have the capacity to handle the same. This led to the mess where the results received expensively using the short code was different from the one on the Kenya National Examination Council portal and sent to schools. It led to what NEC has called misalignment of marks and grades. Grades in science and social studies, as well as religious studies, were truncated.